Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Faiz Iqbal and NIM 2024-32070. And today I will present my final project for the database concept course. For this project I have created a simple library management database system. The purpose of this system is to manage essential operations such as book inventory, member data, borrowing, transaction, finance, and administrative users. Now, let's take a closer look at the structure of this database. First, I created a database called UAS concept inside this database. I created 8 main tables and several foreign key relationship. The first table is anggota which store information about library member. Each member has a unique ID, name, address, phone number, and email. This table helps you keep track of all registered members. Next, we have the book table which store information about the books in the library. Each book has its own ID, title, category ID, publisher ID, year of publication, and quantity. This allows use to manage the collection of books efficiently. To support the book information, I created the category table which lists different book category. For example, fiction, non-fiction, science fiction, and so on. Each category has an ID and name. I also added a penerbit table which stores data about publisher. This includes the publisher name, address, and phone number. The buku table uses a foreign key to link each book to its publisher. Then we have the petugas table which contains information about the staff or admin user for who handle the borrowing process. It includes unique ID, name, username, and password. This table is important for access control and accountability. For handling book borrowing, I created the peminjaman table. It records borrowing transaction, including the member ID, staff ID, borrow date, and return date. This helps monitor who borrowed what and when the books are due. To link specific book to a borrowing transaction, there is a detailed peminjaman table. This table stores the borrowing ID, book ID, and the number of books borrowed. This table allows one borrowing transaction to include multiple books. Finally, to manage late return of penalty, I added the denda table, which stores the amount of fine and this description. This table is linked to the borrowing transaction through a foreign key. I also implement foreign key congregation to maintain data integrity. These congregations ensure that relationships between tables are valid. For example, book must refer to valid category and publisher. Borrowing must refer to exiting member and staff, and fine must be linked to valid borrowing transaction. In conclusion, this library database is designed to be fast, normalized, and easy to expand in the future. It can be used as the foundation for building a complete web-based or desktop library management system. Thank you for your attention. That's all for my presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.